Welcome in to the Hungry Pauper.
What I want to do for you here is a little something that my mother always had me do, starting at about, must have been 9 or 10 years old. And she would keep a can of these biscuits around for the purpose of making donuts. And she would be reading a book and she would say, hey, there's a can of biscuits in the fridge, go make some donuts. So, all right, so I would do that. So this is what we do. So we would show you how we fry these. I have oil heating in this skillet and I have powdered sugar in this bowl. See what I'm doing? I'm barely putting any water in there. I need a whisk. I think we're going to be all right here. I'm not gonna... Okay, so there's that. Let's put just a little bit of vanilla in there. Put it off, not turned on. There we go. There we go. So just kind of wiggle a hole in there. I haven't done this for over 40 years, so this is the first time I've made a donut out of a biscuit, a refrigerator biscuit. Let's give this one a try. There, she's looking better. Look at that. So you see this through the top cam there. See this see this hole right? They know people are gonna do this. Smells good. There we go. Normally I only flip them once, but to see what the situation was there. So we need paper towels. Paper towel, paper towel. There, we're looking better. So let's get these out of there. See that? One fried donut. One glazed, raised, fried donut. And we just go like this. We just kind of stretch a hole in the middle. I don't cut it because then I got to deal with the donut hole, a ball, and then I got to deal with a ball of dough. So there, we're looking better, like it's starting faster. There we go. Now, if you think I'm going to eat this whole can of biscuits, you got another thing coming here. There we go. And I'll tell you, Vesta had a way of knowing from the living room, from the crack of her Harlequin romance, how fast these donuts were cooking. I don't know how, I mean, she just knew those were getting done a little too fast, aren't they? Or whatever, you know. I just remember that from when I was a kid. They fry it pretty quick, to be honest with you. So we need to get the assembly line going just a little bit better here. I've had this thing of donuts for quite some time. Getting ready to make donuts out of them. So let's get us another plate here. Well, those were just a hair dark, but that's okay. They'll be all right. They'll eat. They will eat. It's okay. Probably need a stick to pick these up with, actually, but they're a little lighter on one side. That's all right. That's all right. They'll eat. These, I haven't done this for a very long time. I was a child last time I did this. Get out of the way. Get over there. There we go. Get over there. There we go. Once you get your grease up to a good speed, it doesn't take that long. Just trying to keep it to where I've got a couple that are ready to go in. Just kind of wiggle a hole in there so I don't have these donut holes to worry to deal with. And I think it's easier in the long run this way. Now I remember breaking them before to where I had to pinch them back together. So these are probably where they are. They're ready to get out of there and drain a little bit. The hot plate's going full bore. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know what I'm going to do with these because I cannot eat this tube of biscuits, tube of donuts. I just can't do it by myself. I have seen the time where two people have done away with them. So we're just going to start stacking them there. Oops, we better get them flipped over. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 11 there. They don't have to be perfect, as long as there's a hole in the middle. The purpose of the hole is so that they fry more efficiently anyway. It doesn't matter, really, if there's a hole or not. You can call it anything you want to. Excuse me. I wonder where that went. Let's give them a shot here. That was pretty good. You don't want to make a habit of this, I'll tell you that. One more. One guy in there by himself. Now, I will say, Vesta and I, now she was like 5'1" and weighed about 110 pounds or something. I don't really know. Not much. She was not a big woman at all. And at that time, I was, let's see, at 10 years old, what would that be? Fourth, fifth grade? So I don't remember very well, I'll tell you that. I was as wide as I was tall. I had such a different metabolism than she did. And she didn't help matters any with, you know, allowing a diet like this. But I thought I would show you this. You know, that tube of biscuits cost, it wasn't $2, I don't think. Maybe it was. It's a pretty cheap and quick treat. You just don't want to do it a lot, you know. And be quite honest, I've had that tube of biscuits for quite some time now. Well, clear back when I made the biscuits and gravy in the biscuit video, I had that tube of biscuits in the fridge. Let's get some more glaze on there. There is nothing healthy about this whatsoever. I will tell you that right now. There is nothing healthy about it whatsoever. But I'm going to tell you, these are pretty darn good. So let's get that shut off. There they are, my friends. Now I snuck one, and we will sneak another for the tasting. Glazed donuts out of a can of refrigerated biscuits. And I'll see you next time. See you on the next video.